Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating 3C2 error code on your Samsung washer, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error is more common than you might think, especially in 2025 models, and it usually points to issues with the water level or pressure system. In today's video, I'll break down what this code means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself to save time and money. First off, let's talk about what the 3C2 error actually signifies. According to Samsung's documentation, this code typically indicates a problem with the water level sensor or the pressure switch. It's your washer's way of saying, hey, something's not right with how I'm measuring the water. This could lead to your machine not filling properly, draining incorrectly, or even stopping mid-cycle. Now, what causes this error? There are a few common culprits. It might be a clogged inlet hose or filter, which prevents proper water flow. Another possibility is a faulty pressure switch that's not detecting water levels accurately. Electrical issues, like loose connections or a malfunctioning control board, could also be at play. And don't forget about simple things like low water pressure in your home or even a kinked hose. Alright, let's get to the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your washer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. This simple step resolves the issue about 20% of the time. Next, check the inlet hoses for any kinks, blockages, or damage. Clean out the filters if they're dirty, use a soft brush and warm water for that. If that doesn't work, inspect the pressure switch and sensor connections. You might need to open the panel carefully. Refer to your user manual for your specific model. Tighten any loose wires, but if you're not comfortable with this, call a professional. For more persistent problems, try running a diagnostic test mode on your washer. On most Samsung models, you can access this by pressing a sequence of buttons. I'll link a guide in the description. If none of these steps fix it, it could be a deeper issue like a defective part, so contacting Samsung support or a technician is your best bet. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that 3C2 error and get your washer spinning smoothly again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.